This video is going to show how to add layers to a PCB design with the cross-section editor in OrCAD X Presto. When creating a new PCB design, defining the right stackup is especially important with modern designs becoming more complex. The stackup will directly impact the design's electrical performance, manufacturability, signal integrity, and electromagnetic compatibility. Open the provided design in OrCAD X Presto. To start the cross-section editor, select Tools, Cross-Section from the menu. The cross-section editor opens. This is where all layers and stackups in the design are defined. Currently, we only have the top and bottom layers. Let's add a ground plane with the Add Layers window. Right-click the dielectric between top and bottom and select Add Layers. The Add Layers window opens. Here you can define all new layer properties, including the type of layer, the material, and position. Select below selected dielectric to put the new layer between top and bottom. Since we're creating a ground plane, select Plane for the layer type. The layer function and material are automatically defined as plain and copper. We are now ready to create the layer. Click Add to add the layer to the stackup. The layer is visible on the cross-section editor as L2 Ground 1. Click Exit to close the Add Layers window. Let's create another layer directly from the cross-section editor. Right-click the dielectric between ground and bottom. Select Add Layer pair below. A new conductor layer and dielectric are added to the stackup below the ground layer. To rename a layer, double-click the name in the Name column. Enter the new name and press Enter on the keyboard to rename the layer. We'll remove the trailing one from the ground layer and set the name of the new conductor layer to L3 SIG. With the cross-section defined and labeled, click OK to save the changes and close the window. By default, in OrCAD X Presto, all new layers are shown in a dark green shade. To help distinguish the new layers, let's change the colors. To do this, select Visibility from the left side of the window. Choose the Layers mode in the Visibility panel. Here you can define colors for each physical feature in the design. Right-click the color box under All for the ground layer. Select Blue from the presets and click outside the box to set the color. All features of the ground layer are now blue. Right-click the color box under All for L3 SIG to change colors for the signal layer. Select Purple from the presets and click outside the box. Each layer now has its own color as shown in the Floating Layer toolbar. Quickly add layers to the PCB stackup to create and communicate the vertical design intent of your board with the cross-section editor in OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.